Come with me, let's make some fried plantain and green omelette together. Hello good everyone, you are welcome back. If today is your first time seeing my video, you are highly welcome. In today's video, my people, as you all can see, we are making fried plantain and green omelette. Then we go come top pan with my akamu pap when I prepared myself. So guys, let's get into the video. Here I have my scotch bonnet pepper and onions, and I will be adding my spring onions. Okay, this is spring onions, so I'll just add a tablespoon. I'm not going to use everything, okay guys. So I have my green beans. I'll add a tablespoon as well, sorry guys. And my spinach, of course. We are making green omelette, guys, so everything inside is green. Okay, the only red thing you are seeing there is just the scotch bonnet pepper, and we are using 3 eggs. Okay, after that I added my salt, ginger powder, my nutmeg, mustard, I added that one. Then this is my black pepper, and I add my powder garlic powder. Okay, so we turn everything together and we are going to be frying our omelette. Guys, if you test this omelette, if you use green veggies to make your omelette, you will lick your fine finger, you will bite your 5 fingers. Okay guys, so that one is done and set aside. Now this is a fry pan. I spray it with oil and I added my mixture, my egg mixture, guys. So if you don't watch this video, Richard, means say you are enjoying this video, but you never follow, you never like, you never share, you never even leave comments. Kilo day, what is going on? Oh yeah, na papa, mama, auntie, uncle, help me to follow this page. Help me and please be follow this page as you do. May God highly bless you. And to my amazing followers, I say may God bless you all as soon as they support una get. So guys, una see it happen then. You have to put your cheese in the omelette. It get white, but if you try them, you will thank me later in the comment section. So guys, this is our omelette, guys. Okay, what do you think? Let me see your thoughts in the comment section. Are you going to be giving this a try? Let me know in the comment section. Look at it now, isn't it beautiful? I see fine now, so it tastes sweet. If you have not tried this recipe before, please do. So guys, thank you and see you all in my next video. Una bye for now.